Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus ES300H key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Slide this button and pull out the mechanical key. Next, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process quick and easy, taking only a few minutes of your time. Now that you have the mechanical key removed, it's time to open the key fob. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where the mechanical key was previously housed. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Exercise caution to avoid scratching the plastic casing or damaging any of the delicate internal electronic components during this step. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Then, use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob and press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Next, slide the mechanical key back into its designated slot until it locks into position. To confirm everything is working, test your key fob's lock and unlock functions. You should find it operating perfectly with its new power source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.